This is a little movie of how I camo painted my Magpul Hunter stock. I started off with some Krylon paint, a sponge, and some gloves. I just went through and hit a couple shots of earth brown. And then I hit another little shot of black, just like the other side. Just dab a little bit on your sponge. I use the dark paint going into the lighter areas first. That's just what I thought I should do. But I'm not putting a whole huge amount of paint on there either. So at this point I've got some earth brown and a little bit olive drab on there with the sponges. Tried not to overdo it. Well, and here we go. Paint's drying. I like how it turned out. There she is, looking good. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. I hope you liked my video.